In today's video, I will teach you how to sharpen a blurry photo using AI. Let's get started. First, head to Photo or AI Photo Editor. Then click Upload to import your own image. Now, on the left panel, go to Adjust. Then select Face and Blur to automatically sharpen facial features. But take note that this is a pro feature, and using it without a subscription will add a watermark. However, a 7-day free trial is available, so you can test out the feature first and decide later. Now scroll down to the Brightness and Color section and open the Basic Adjust drop-down. Then adjust the Sharpness slider to enhance the details. Now make sure to use subtle increments to avoid over-sharpening. Now we're going to refine with advanced structure tools. If you still need more clarity, you can scroll to the Advanced Edit section. Now open the Structure drop-down, then adjust the Detail and Gradation sliders to fine-tune the texture and contrast. Now click and hold the Compare button at the bottom right of the editor to view your original image side by side with the edited version. And once you're happy with the results, you can click Download at the top right to save your edited image. For best results, avoid maxing out sliders, and sharpening works best in moderation to preserve a natural look. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.